5 detrimental wellness habits after 40. How to avoid them. As we age, it's natural to wish we could turn back time or find a secret potion to look younger. While that may not be possible, adopting healthy lifestyle choices, like establishing a daily exercise routine, can have a profound impact on our well-being, physical fitness, and even longevity. If you're a dedicated gym goer or fitness enthusiast, you've likely developed some go-to wellness habits over the years to achieve your goals. But did you know that some of these habits can actually hinder your progress and pose risks to your body, especially after the age of 40? In this video, we're going to discuss 5 common wellness habits that can be detrimental to your body as you age. By avoiding these habits, you can safeguard your health, make progress towards your fitness goals, and enjoy a vibrant life. 1. Neglecting a maintenance program. Just like a car needs regular servicing, your body requires routine maintenance. Neglecting this aspect can lead to accumulated wear and tear, potentially resulting in breakdowns. Learn how to incorporate activities like mobility exercises and gentle tissue work into your routine to keep your body in optimal condition. 2. Ignoring proper nutrition. Daily multivitamins may seem like a quick fix, but they haven't been proven to prevent diseases like heart disease or cancer. Discover the importance of obtaining essential nutrients from whole foods and learn about a well-balanced diet that fuels your body for optimal performance. 3. Overtraining and lack of recovery. Pushing your body too hard without allowing it time to recover can lead to overtraining syndrome, which can negatively impact your overall health. Explore the importance of rest and recovery, and learn how to incorporate rest days, quality sleep, and low-impact activities into your routine. 4. Poor posture and sedentary lifestyle. As we age, maintaining good posture becomes increasingly crucial. Poor posture and excessive sitting can lead to muscle imbalances, joint pain, and reduced mobility. Discover practical tips for improving your posture and incorporating exercises that target your core and back muscles. Learn how to counteract the negative effects of a sedentary lifestyle with regular movement and stretching. 5. Neglecting mental health. Wellness isn't just about physical fitness, it also encompasses mental well-being. Neglecting your mental health can significantly impact your overall quality of life. Explore effective stress management techniques like meditation, mindfulness practices, and engaging in hobbies that bring you joy and relaxation. Prioritize self-care and discover the importance of maintaining a healthy mind-body connection. By avoiding these detrimental habits and embracing healthier alternatives, you can protect your body, enhance your well-being, and enjoy a fulfilling and active life after 40. Remember, it's always beneficial to consult with a healthcare professional or a qualified fitness trainer before making significant changes to your exercise or wellness routine. Join us in this video as we delve into these 5 detrimental wellness habits and provide practical tips to overcome them. Don't let these habits hold you back from achieving your fitness goals and living your best life.